Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create water replace a text effect in CapCut PC. Right, I'm going to add black screen to the track and go to text to add a text. Just select the bold text. Change for text, for example. Resize, and you can change for the font style, and you can change the color. So after done, you're just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to effect and select body effect. You can select the video effect and select so you can select the distortion and here's water replace, add to the track. You can adjust for the size, trees, filter, and for the vertical. So this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also thank you so much for watching.